Hello students, a very warm welcome. Now in this video we are going to study lesson number 15, that is my district and my state. Now students, coming to page number 92 of your lesson 15, see the first one. Try this. You have to study a big tree in your locality using the following points. See the first point. What are the different parts of the tree? See, leaves, fruits, flowers, branches, trunk, roots are the different parts of the tree. Then see the second one. Which of these parts are seen on a tree most of the time? The parts such as leaves, branches, trunk, etc. are seen on a tree most of the time. Then the third one. Which is the smallest part of a tree and what is it attached to? The smallest part of a tree are leaves and they are attached to the branches. Now coming to the fifth one. How many big branches does the trunk of the tree have? See, the trunk of the tree has 2 to 3 big branches. So students, to be complete, a tree must have several components such as leaves, small branches, big branches, a trunk, etc. In the same way, our state too is made up of many settlements, villages, towns, talukas and districts. See students, you will understand this better by looking at the diagram on the facing page. Now students, coming to page number 92, see, do you know? Man began to farm the land. His fields were near the water. He settled near his farms and began to live there. In this way, hamlets and settlements were formed. Now students, see, these hamlets and settlements grew into villages which then developed into cities. Now students, coming to page number 93, see, make friends with maps. See here, by following the pictures given here, you can see how villages, cities and towns form a taluka. Talukas form a district and districts form a state. Now students, see, in this picture a village, Vairagad, a village picture is given. Now this Vairagad village is in which taluka? It is in Armori taluka. See, the picture is showing. And now this Armori taluka, where is it? See, it is in the Gadchiroli district. And students, this Gadchiroli district is in the state of Maharashtra. So in this way, village, cities, towns form taluka, taluka forms a district and districts forms a state. Now students, coming to page number 94, make friends with map. See here, a physical map of a state is given below. Study it carefully and write the answers to the following questions. Now students, see the first question. What is the name of the mountain that spreads from north to south in our state? So the Sahyadri mountain spreads from north to south of our state. Now the second question is, what is the name given to the region to the west of this mountain? So the region to the west of the mountain is called the Konkan region. Now the third question students, on the shore of which sea does this region lie? This region lies on the shore of the Arabian Sea. Now the fourth question students, what is the area of the east of the Sahyadri mountain called? It is called the Plateau region. Now the fifth question, what is the name of the mountain in the northern part of our state? It is called the Satpura mountain. Now coming to the sixth question, which is the river in our state which flows from the east to the west? See, the river Tapi flows from the east to the west. And now students, coming to the 7th question, write the names of two rivers which flow from the northwest to the southeast. See, the river Krishna and the river Bhima flow from the northwest to the southeast. Then students, coming to the 8th question, write the names of any two rivers which have their origin in the Sahyadri mountain and flow into the Arabian Sea. See, the rivers like Savitri and Vashishti have their origin in the Sahyadri mountain and flow into the Arabian Sea. Now coming to the 9th question, find the ranges which originate in the Sahyadri mountain and spread to the east. Write their names. See, the Harishchandra Balaghat range and Mahadev range originate in the Sahyadri mountain and spread to the east. Now coming to the 10th question. Which are the important dams shown on the map? See, the Koyna, Jaikwadi, Ujni and Yeldari are the important dams shown on the map. Coming to the 11th question. Which rivers are these dams built on? See, these dams are built on the rivers Koyna, Godavari, Bhima and Purna. Now students, coming to the 12th question, name the important ghats in the Sahyadri mountain. So the important ghat in the Sahyadri mountain are Bhor, Tamhini, Fonda and Amboli. And now students, coming to page number 95, do you know? See, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state and Nagpur is the second capital. Then according to its physical features, Maharashtra is divided into three regions. First, the coastal region, second, the mountainous region and the third, the plateau region. Then the third, the Godavari river is the longest river in Maharashtra. The fourth point, see, the Satpura mountain is in the northern part of Maharashtra. The highest peak in the Satpura mountain is Asthamba. Then the fifth point, the Sahyadri mountains are also called the Western Ghats. Then Kalsubai in this mountain is the highest peak in Maharashtra. Then the sixth point, the Arabian Sea is to the west of the state. Now students, coming to page number 95, can you tell? See, this is a map showing the regions of high, moderate and low rainfall. Now a map is given showing the major crops with an index. We have to show the distribution of crops according to the rainfall. Now see students, in the region of very high or heavy rainfall, rice is grown in Raigad, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, Gadchiroli and Gondia. And students, now with the medium regions of rainfall with main crops wheat, tur, soyabean are Siparbani, Latur, Akola, Yavatmal and Jalna. And students, the region of low rainfall main crops are jowar, bajra, moth beans, which are grown in Solapur, Dhule, Ahmednagar, Pune and Satara. And now students, see, the production of crops depends on the climate, soil and availability of water. Different regions of Maharashtra get different amounts of rainfall. As a result, there is a variety in the crops grown. Agriculture is the main occupation in Maharashtra. Agriculture in the state depends mostly on rainfall. This is called rain-fed, that is Jiraiti agriculture. In some places, water obtained through irrigation is also used. This is called irrigated, that is Bagayati agriculture. The agriculture season that falls during the monsoon period is called the Kharif season and the one that falls during winter is called the Rabi season. And students, now coming to page number 97, that is can you tell. You study the map and complete the given activities. Now students, you have to see the first one. Underline the names of districts which grow grapes. Nasik, Pune and Sangli districts grow grapes. And now the second one. Circle the names of cotton growing districts. Akola, Amravati, Jalgaon, Buldana and Yavatmal are cotton growing districts. Now students, coming to the third question, circle the symbols of the crops grown in Thane and write their names in your notebook. So students, chiku, bananas, mangoes and vegetables are grown in Thane. Now students, coming to the fourth question, in which districts is coconut an important crop? Write their names in your notebook. So Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg districts grow coconut, an important crop. Now coming to the fifth question, find the districts which grow the orange crop, color them using a different color. So students, Nagpur, Wardha and Amravati districts grow the orange crop. And students, see all the crops shown above are based on irrigation. Their distribution is influenced by the climate and soil. They are also known as commercial or cash crops. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are used for these crops. And students, we must always remember the use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers to increase the yield of crops has risen. However, this results in greater soil pollution. We should use chemical fertilizers sparingly. Organic fertilizers should be used more. In this way, we will be able to prevent harm to the environment. Now students, coming to page number 98, use your brain power. See, the administrative divisions of our state are given below. Observe them and color these regions in different colors in the map given below. This you do it as activity in your scrapbook. Now students, coming to page number 99, see language and dialects. Dialects means it's a form of language which is spoken in some region or group. Now students, see Maharashtra state was formed on 1st May 1960. States in India have been formed on the basis of language. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, there is similarity as well as diversity in languages. The pronunciation of Marathi varies in different regions. We see a variety in the dialects that are spoken. We should welcome this diversity. Now see students, see the region in Konkan, some dialects are spoken are Konkani and Malwani. In Vidarbha region, Varhadi is spoken. Then in Khandes region, Airihani, Khandesi is spoken. See, Gormati, Kolmi, Korku, etc. are the traditional dialects of Adivasi tribes in Maharashtra. Now students, coming to page number 99, again see can you tell. See, we find variety in the festivals of our state according to the different traditions. Everyone celebrates Diwali, Dasara, Christmas, Eid, etc. In the Konkan region, festivals such as Narli Purnima, Holi and the Ganesh festival are mainly celebrated. In the Plateau region, people celebrate festivals such as Dasra, Diwali and Bail Pola on a big scale. We celebrate our national festivals 15th August and 26th January all over the country with great enthusiasm. Now students, coming to page number 100, see what's the solution. See, Sudhir and Swapnil have come to your town. They wish to take home a famous food item from your districts. Which food item will you give them? So students, this you will have to write it on your own. Then use your brain power. See, our villages, towns, cities, talukas, districts, states and countries are man-made or naturally formed. They are man-made. Now students will have a quick look at what we have learned today. See the physical setup of our state, variety in crops according to climate, soil and availability of water, the state language Marathi and its different dialects, and variety in celebrations and festivals. And now for homework students, you'll have to read, write and learn these words 10 times in your notebook. Like the first word is rice, second word jowar, third word bajra, fourth word orange, fifth word Konkan, sixth word Vidarbha, seventh word Nagpur, eighth word language, ninth word dialects and the 10th one festivals. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy and stay protective.